So the layout of our entrance is a little bit different. We're actually having our grand opening tomorrow. Little heads up to all of you guys watching right now. It's open to the public. So October 30th from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. we're going to be hosting our first ever grand opening here in Chandler, Arizona. So if you're in town and or if you want to make a last minute drive, feel free to join us. You can meet the team, enjoy some good food and drinks, and of course, get a tour of the HQ. So let's go ahead and jump right to it. What is my first favorite thing about the trading headquarters? So one of the first things that I love most about the entrance is how open everything is. As you guys can see, we have a very laid back area right on over here. We have 2 monitors or 2 TVs right above these couch area. We have 2 mid to high top tables and then 1 lower top. In total, we expect to have anywhere from around 15 to 20 people here at a time, where it can still be a co-working space, meaning that, again, you come in here, you get some work done, but that it's not so busy that it becomes counterproductive. On top of this, on the right hand side, we actually have our own personal conference room for the TechBuds team, and on the left hand side, we actually have a private office or a private conference room for all of you guys that come and visit us if you guys want to have your individual meetings with your personal team. Let's go ahead and move on over here. And one of my second favorite things here at the Trading HQ has to be my personal office. I really like a very simple layout, as you guys can see by our common space. And let me know if you guys think that we should include or remove anything that we currently have set up. Feel free to let me know. But on top, we have the different times in some of the most popular trading areas, except for Phoenix, right? I had to add it since we're here in Arizona. But we have New York, Shanghai, China, and of course, London. But let's go ahead and go into my room so you guys can get a full tour of what my personal office actually looks like. Alrighty, so when you walk on in, we have a very small couch here, just in case anyone is actually watching me film. A separate chair, just because when we're actually filming LPP 2.0, I had some of my team actually in the office, just making sure that I hit every single point in what it was that I was trying to express within that video. And then when it comes down to my actual setup, we can actually bring you around so you can see exactly what it is that I have set up. And one of the things that I love most about my office is just how simple it is. So I have this autonomous desk, I have the Mac Mini, and my 2 monitors. Everything when it comes down to my keyboard and my mouse, wireless, seamless, very easy. And then on the back, we have the TechBud headquarters logo, which I think just looks very appealing in comparison to the background and then how it contrasts. On the left-hand side of my office, I have the whiteboards when it comes down to needing to film any videos, and I want to make sure that I can properly display that with a whiteboard background. I feel like I can knock that down in my office in a very simple way. So when it comes down to my trading, again, I have my horizontal monitor where I use the Webull platform, and my vertical monitor for my Learn Plan Profit Discord chat. Other than that, I would say that I have a pretty simple office. I like how simplistic it is. It allows me to get the job done and not overcomplicate things. Let me know in the comment section if you guys agree with that. So what I want you to picture here is this is the trading section of our headquarters. I want you to imagine before the market opens, being able to check in to one of our 3 trading rooms. I'm going to be showing you my favorite trading room, but this is the front section of the trading area. This is, again, just a very common space. We have some nice wall art, and down the aisle, you're going to see all 3 trading rooms, from a formal setup on the 2nd and 3rd trading room, where we provide you 2 monitors where you just come on in, dock up your computer, and therefore you have a 3 monitor setup. Or my personal favorite, I mean, I love the multiple monitor setup, but room number 1 is, I think, a type of experience trading that I have not experienced with other local traders. And I'm going to explain to you exactly what I mean. So we have a soundproof beanbag room where you can either play a series of videos, a Netflix show, and or just vibe out with some music among other traders. So this thing carries a total of 6 different individuals that can make a reservation, trade among one another. And of course, because of this soundproof room, you really just begin to play whatever it is that you want. And again, I really like the casual setup when it comes down to trading instead of the super formal setup. But again, you guys can let me know in the comment section, which trading room would you prefer? A formal with a 3 monitor setup, and or and more casual with the beanbags. Let me know. So I hope to see you guys tomorrow for our grand opening, but if you ever find yourself in Arizona and you want to stop on by, make sure to click the link down below and you guys can simply apply for a tour of the HQ, as I'd love you for being able to meet the team and of course get a tour of our facility. On top of that, we are going to make a pre-launch for Learn Plan Profit 2.0, and if you want access to that, that information will be down available in the description. And last but not least, we're nearly at 1 million subscribers, only 1,000 subs away. I don't know what you guys think about this idea, but once we surpass 1 million, I wanted to pick one random subscriber, fly you out to Arizona, all expenses paid, and to spend a week here at the trading headquarters. Let me know in the comment section what you think about that. Again, all the information should be down in the description. I hope that we earned your thumbs up. I hope to see you for our grand opening, but most importantly, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.